In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new location on Instagram. But first, let's go over to Facebook. And then let's tap on what's on your mind. And then let's tap on check-in. Type any place that you want to create, like ETS, Galaxy House. And then you just scroll down. And then notice at the bottom there is an option to add a new place. Let's tap on that. And then I'm just gonna select just for fun. Now here you could now choose the location. So I'll be saying that and tap on the map so that you could select the location and then tap on save. Once you tap create, it is going to create that location. However, it might take up to 48 hours in order for it to work. So we'll have to wait for that long in order for it to appear on Instagram. Then we can use that location on Instagram. And that is how you create a new location on Instagram. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Have a good day.